Hello, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Lane here, and today we are discussing the surface area of a pyramid. Now, if you are in the 2020 book, you're going to be on page 254 and 255. And for those of you who have the 2017 version of the instruction book, you are on 246 and 247. Excuse me. Let's start at the top of the page in the tan box. Rebecca is planning to make a model of a pyramid for a geography project. The length of each edge of the base is 6 inches. So if you go down here and look at the base, this base is going to be on the bottom, and you can see it's going to be a square, and it's going to be 6 this way and 6 this way. So what's the area of the base going to be? Right, 36. The height of each triangular face is 5 inches. So on this pyramid, how many triangular faces are there? We've got one on the front, one on this side, one in the back, and then one on the other side. So we've got 4 triangular faces. The height of each triangular face is 5 inches. How much cardboard will Rebecca need to make the pyramid? Now what Rebecca has done is she has taken it apart and she has made a net, okay? And from this net, we can figure out the area of each shape and then add them together to get the surface area. And so if you were to look at this, the base here is the square. What's the area of the square? 6 times 6 is 36. Okay, and what about, we've got 4 triangles. The area of a triangle is what, guys? 1/2 base times height. Okay, so in this case, it's going to be 1/2 6 times 5. 6 times 5 is 30. And 1/2 of that is what? 15. Good job, 6th graders. So you can see we've got 4 triangles, 1, 2, 3, 4, with an area of 15. And then we've got a base with an area of 36. And if you look down at the table, that's exactly what they've done for us. They've listed the triangles with 4 of them having an area of 15 and the base, the square, having an area of 36. Okay, let's move on to the next page. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are on the next page and we're going to start with question number 15. How many faces does the pyramid have? Describe them. Well, first of all, we're going to count them up. We've got a square and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 triangles. And so we have 5 faces altogether, which includes 1 square and 4 triangles. So let's write that down. We have 5 faces. And you can put 1 square and 4 triangles. Okay, let's move on to our next question, which is 16. How do you find the area of the base of the pyramid? So when you look back at this, here's our base of this pyramid. How did we find the area? Well, all we had to do was multiply 6 by 6. Get that written down. Okay, let's go on to question 17. How do you find the total area of the triangular faces of the pyramid? So they want the total area of the pyramid. Well, the first thing that we are going to do is we need to find the area of each face. Okay, now once we have found the area of each face, oh, I read that wrong. Okay, wait, okay, boys and girls, it says, how do you find the total area of the triangular faces of the pyramid? And I was going to find the total area of the pyramid, but they just want the area of the triangular faces. So that was my mistake. Go ahead and erase that. That's fine. I'm glad we caught that. So how do you find the area of a triangular face? So the area of a triangular face is the area of a triangle The area of a triangle is going to equal 1/2 of base times height. And in this situation, we have 1/2. Our base of the triangle is 6, and our height is 15. Or excuse me, our height is 5. So we've got base is 6, height is 5. So we're going to do 1/2 6 times 5, which equals 1/2 times 30, which equals 15. Okay, so did we find the area, the total area of the triangular faces? No, we did not find the total area of the triangular faces. We found the area of one of the triangles, and it was 15. How many triangles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. So the total area of the triangular faces equals what, guys? Well, one of them equaled 15. And how many are there? 4. So 15 times 4 is what? Nice job, kids. 60. Okay, so let's go to the next question. And the next question wants to know, what is the surface area of the pyramid? Show your work. So we just need to add the square. And what was the area of the base square? Right, it was 36 because it was 6 by 6. So we're going to add the square plus 4 times 15, because one triangle was 15 and there are 4 of them, and 4 times 15. Okay, so that becomes 36 plus 60, or 96 square inches. Okay, the last one. Explain how to find the surface area of a rectangular pyramid. So what did we do? Well, we added the area of the base to the area of the 4 triangular faces. So add the area of the base to the area of what? Right, of the 4 triangular faces. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's perfect. I want you to give question 20 and 21 a try and see how you do. All right, good luck, 6th graders. We'll see you tomorrow.